Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Jessie Janet. For today's vlog, guys, I'll be sharing with you my new washer and dryer, and also minake over di Papa B yung aking laundry room. So, yeah, so I'll show you guys kung ano na yung nagawa ni Papa B. But yeah, so don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel and also give this a thumbs up and share. Sana mag-enjoy kayo.
I'm using the Peel and Stick by the Property Brothers. Pinili ko to guys dahil naaalala ko guys yung hollow block sa Pilipinas, yung hindi pa kinikinis. Natutuwa rin ako kasi guys, someone I know from the Philippines back then, nag-post siya ng picture sa social media and yun nga, nasa loob ng bahay sa hollow blocks yun. Tapos meron mga nakasampay na underwear. So nakikita yan sa background. So guys, I tried using the beverage dispenser para sa aking laundry detergent dahil maganda siya tingnan, di ba? So, at saka trending siya, uso siya. Pero guys, napansin ko na hindi siya practical dahil mabagal lumabas guys yung sabon dahil siguro sa thickness nito. At mahirap din guys na magpasalin-salin ka ng sabon from the original container to the dispenser, to the beverage dispenser. So, pero kung matyaga ka at kung may mahanap ka na dispenser na maganda, yeah, please let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Since I have a lot of space here in the laundry area, dito ko na rin guys nilagay yung aking mga sponges. Ayan. And over here are my kitchen towels. And up here are my vacuum attachments. Lahat naman guys ng pera na nandito sa loob ng jar na to, mga nahanap ko sa uniform ni Papa B. Ito naman guys, washer and dryer. Nabili namin ni Papa B sa Home Depot. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe.